All are welcome to return to SHIB Kai. You will be compelled to sell your SHIB tokens after watching this video, which is the latest Shiba Inu news. Shiba Inu is probably one of the most watched cryptocurrencies in the world because of the famous meme token's phenomenal 45 million % gain in value last year. Since then, Shiba has struggled with a 70% decline so far this year, leaving investors doubtful about the company's ability to recover its previous success. Compared to when its gains were highest, Shiba Inu is anticipated to deliver a larger amount today. The cryptocurrency is establishing a foothold in the metaverse and working on a scaling solution for Layer 2. We will talk about why you should never sell your SHIB tokens after seeing this video. Shiba Inu news today. A thumbs up, a share, and a subscription would mean the world to us. Please sign up for the channel to get the latest updates on our expert opinions and price estimates for Shiba Inu. The video needs to begin immediately. According to its white paper, Shiba Inu has been successful thus far in its goal of experimenting with decentralized, spontaneous community development. Supporters of the token, known as the SHIB Army, have taken to social media to rally around it and made substantial contributions to its expansion. You may use this Ethereum-based coin to buy Shiba Inu puppies, pay at a few select stores, or even stake your tokens to earn passive income. As time goes on, SHIB will grow into a much stronger cryptocurrency than it already is. Shibarium is being created as a solution for Layer 2 scaling. Layer 2 will greatly benefit customers by improving transaction speeds and reducing expenses, but the developers have not yet disclosed the launch date. As part of its mission to build an entire online community, Shiba Inu has been developing a metaverse where users can buy virtual homes. At some point, Shiba Inu will have more than 100,000 parcels listed for sale. As of this writing, the first phase has made approximately 32,000 plots available. With Shibarium and the Metaverse project up and running, Shiba Inu will be an even more formidable player than it was in 2021 when it announced substantial profits. Even with these efforts, SHIB still doesn't stand out from the crowd, thus it's hard to see why this cryptocurrency would take off. But the fact that 549 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are already in circulation, this is even more problematic. If SHIB were to achieve market cap, it would outstrip the whole cryptocurrency industry. Together with long-standing companies such as Apple, should it increase from its present fraction of 1% to $1. It will take more than just Shiba Inu's burn attempts to fix this problem. Even though many experts have tried to explain Shiba Inu's meteoric rise to fame, no one has come up with a satisfactory explanation. Some have claimed that Shiba Inu's blockchain technology provided faster transaction times than its competitors. People were so passionate about terrible currencies back then, they say it was the driving force. However, nobody has been able to pin down exactly what it was that made this coin so popular. We only know that SHIB caused quite a commotion during its incredible but fleeting lifetime, and that its impact will linger far after its inevitable demise. Frequent with the general trend of the digital asset market, Shiba Inu has suffered frequent sell-offs in 2022. However, with no signs of a possible bullish trigger in sight, the SHIB community is confident that the coin will finish the year positively. According to the SHIB community, the average token value by December 31, 2022 would indicate gains of 17.53% from the asset's price when the publication was made. The estimates were derived from the votes of 2,924 members who utilized the price estimate tool, according to data obtained by Finbold on November 12. Investors' continued optimism in SHIB's future surge and possible return to 2021 highs is borne out by the fact that community members' wagers match the increasing number of holdings. This line's holder count has been rising gradually and reached 1,243,347 as of November 11th. There was a 3% rise, or 37,225 more people, in the past 3 months. The SHIB technical analysis remains gloomy since the decentralized finance token is presently dealing with the fallout from the FTX crypto exchange. Liquidity problem. Oscillators on the daily gauges are neutral at 9, but a review of the technical indicator shows 14 signals for sell, with moving averages indicating a strong sell at 13. With a price of $0.96, SHIB has maintained its weekly fall of nearly 23%. The general trend in the price of cryptocurrencies is the primary factor determining SHIB's potential for substantial profit. Rich SHIB investors are moving hundreds of billions of tokens despite the market volatility. Burns and Shiba Inu's crypto whales allegedly transfer 877 billion SHIB tokens, with a market worth of $7.8 million, according to Project SHIB Play. by means of information retrieved from Etherscan, the Ethereum analytics platform. The initial transfer involving $202 billion SHIB was finalized on November 2nd, when the market capitalization of the 14th biggest digital asset was at its peak, trading at $0.13. The second transaction, which took place on November 6, saw the transfer of $190 billion SHIB to Crypto.com. That led to the digital currency reaching a high of $0.13 during the day. The third and largest of the three transactions began on November 7th, when SHIB was trading at an intraday high of $0.12. Using wallets from cryptocurrency exchange Binance, one of the whale's wallets received 485 billion SSHIB tokens. Along with the overall downturn in cryptocurrency markets, the value of Shiba Inu has also fallen. At $0.01, Hedgetib is down 12.73% from yesterday. Coincident with the market downturn, FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange, has been having problems since it negotiated a temporary agreement with Binance to buy FTX.com. The native token of the FTX exchange is currently trading at $4.79, 93% below its peak, and has lost almost 68% of its value since the announcement of FTX's liquidity issues. In addition to the envisioned Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, the Boni ShibaSwap token was one of several tokens released by developers at the unveiling of the ShibaSwap decentralized exchange, Shoshi non-fungible tokens, and others. Bone's price had a successful August following the governance token's publication on multiple marketplaces. On the other hand, as of October 31st, 2022, it had already corrected and was down 14% for the past month. Developers behind Shapa created the decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021 so that users, also known as the SHIB Army, could trade SHIB tokens for other cryptocurrencies. With its own native tokens and fee incentive structure, ShibaSwap is a fork of the SushiSwap DEX. Operating on the Ethereum network, both SushiSwap and ShibaSwap utilize tokens based on the ERC20 standard. For example, the DAGI decentralized autonomous organization might decide which pairs to introduce to ShibaSwap based on user votes. As a user's Bone token holdings increase, their vote becomes more consequential. In order to facilitate the trading of ShibaSwap exchange pairings, a maximum of 250 million Bone ShibaSwap tokens have been allocated. There are currently 6.97 million Bone tokens in circulation, with a total supply of 229.99 million, according to statistics from CoinMarketCap. With a maximum supply of 250 million tokens, SHIB aimed to fill the void left by the much larger 500 million token supply and the far smaller Laid SH token supply. A rebase token called Dogekiller Laid SH was launched to keep its price linked to another asset. It acts like an algorithmic stablecoin by dynamically growing and lowering supply according to an algorithm. The total supply of leash tokens is limited to 17,640. The Shiba Inu website states that ShibaSwap is offering incentives for two tokens, Leash and Shibi. Because of its high market value, holders will be able to profit greatly. So that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, share, and give our videos a big thumbs up to see our latest stuff.